subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Motorola's latest smartphone called Moto G22 is now official in the European market with a unique camera module. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G22 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus Max Vision display with up to 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G37 chipset coupled with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G22 features a quad camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 180° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support, but the user will get 10W charger inside the box. And on the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 12 based on MyUX skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.95 by 74.94 by 8.45mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G22 has been priced in the European market at €169.99, and it is now available for purchase in some selected European regions in Cosmic Black, Iceberg Blue, and Pearl White color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto G22 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.